traders, I'm just going to run through last week's VIP signals and do a bit of a recap and see how things can be possibly a little bit different this week. What I'm getting is stop loss at break even. Got taken out a few times. Okay, so this one rallied in our favour, moved the stop loss to break even, and of course it came back down and took it out. This was the same story. It rallied in our favour, came back down, stop loss was moved to break even, took it out. This is a trend continuation. This one here, this was a breakout trade looking for that, and then when it started to trade negative, it pulled back into here and I decided to close it. Then it, of course, it rallied. Just running up from the bottom to the top. Okay, pound Swiss. This one, yeah, I mean, I was looking for continuation, trend, but it decided to turn around and I shut it down early. I wasn't happy with how it was trading. So we abandoned that trade. Euro yen, quite nice. Stop loss at break even again, guys. Yeah, it gained about 1R and I pulled the stop loss down to break even and it got taken out. Otherwise that would have been a nice outcome. So scroll up, Euro Aussie. We had a couple of these, I think. Yeah, these are a couple of nice trades. First one, entry, closed. Second one, entry, and closed in profit. CAD Swiss. Alright, this one. I was looking for continuation here. Gained a bit of ground, and I was a little bit nervous with it, so I pulled the stop loss down to break even. And that got taken out, which was a good move. Now the New Zealand, this one was closed. I was looking for continuation, but we got a green signal and I decided to shut it down here just to minimise risk, and yeah, it was a good call. What else? The Aussie yen. Yeah. Stop loss was trailing on this one, I think. And then it came back and took it out. But again, you know, stop loss to break even or trailing stops are getting taken out. So it's going to weigh up the possibility of leaving them in a little bit longer this week. Because, I mean, you know, target reached if we hadn't touched that one. And then Aussie CAD. Again, see this? Stop loss at break even, you know, so if we consider possibility of a 2R gain on that one, let's just go back and consider the difference if we'd left our stop loss alone, let it run. Well, you know, at the end of the week I'd close it down 1.5 Aussie yen. Well, definitely 2R. That's 3.5 reached. Okay, let's just call this one minus 1R. Okay, so let's just say we don't touch our stop loss. 2.5. Okay, 3.5 back to 2.5. This one. Alright, another 1R. 1.5 up. Euro Oz. Alright, there was two of these. 1.5, so there's another 2 and 2, 4. So there's 5.5R in front now if we left these guys to run to 2R. Yeah. 5.5R Euro yen. Okay, another 2R, 7.5R, so we can see the benefit of leaving them alone. 7.5, this one, okay, minus 1, 6.5. It's a much better outcome. Pound dollar, 6.5. Yep, 8. Close it at the end of the week at, you know, maybe 1R, 1.5, so there's 9.5R. Close it at the end of the week, you know, half an hour. That's 10R. So if we would have left our trades alone without moving our stop loss, we would have gained a 10R. All right, so that's a consideration for this week, guys. Let's see how we go. But, we're pretty well on track. Just it's managing the trades, and I'm moving my stops. And that's definitely worth reconsidering. All right, guys. That's a wrap for the last week, for last week's VIP signals. Now, if you haven't already, jump on board with us. The link is in the description below. There's a 2-week free trial